Welcome back to Unit 9A review. We're going to be working on the third page of the review for this video. Number 8, find the value of x in the circle below. Okay, and the information they've given me is, and notice this time I'm not going through a diameter, so I can't immediately go, oh, I have a 90-degree angle there. It's close. It's almost going through the diameter, through the center, but it's not, so I don't know that that's a 90-degree angle. But I do know that QRS, angle QRS, is 22.5. So let's see where QRS is. QRS. So that angle there is 22.5. Okay? Which means I know that QS, I can figure out how big QS is. I know they've given me an expression for it, 8x plus 5. For arc QS, but I know that this arc is twice this angle. So the measure of arc QS is found by doubling the inscribed angle, 22.5. Okay, but I also know that the measure of arc QS can also be expressed using 8x plus 5. So if the measure of arc QS equals both of these things, that means these two expressions are equal to each other. So this 8x plus 5, using substitution, has to be equal to the 2 times the 22.5, which we can actually do that part, right? 8x plus 5 equals 22.5 times 2 is 45. And now we'll just do a little bit of algebra 1. Subtract 5 on both sides. And 8x plus 0 equals 40. Divide by 8. And x equals 5. And let's see, did I answer find the value of x in the circle below? Yep, the value of x is 5. Okay, let's look at number 9. In the circle below, the measure of angle ABC is 32 degrees. Find the measure of angle ADC. All right, so ABC, so this angle here is 32 degrees. And they want me to find the measure of angle ADC. So ADC. Okay? Well, I know that this first angle that they gave me intercepts arc AC. Arc AC is going to be twice that inscribed angle, so 64 degrees. But arc AC is also the intercepted arc for angle ADC, which means this is also twice this angle. That means both of these angles have the same measure. Remember, angles that intercept the same arc have the same measure. So the measure of angle ADC is equal to 32 degrees. Let's look at number 10. Number 10, find X, CD, and PA. All right, so I can see that I have two chords, and they are both 12 units from the center of the circle. What that means is the chords themselves are equal. So this chord AB is equal to this chord CD. AB is 7x minus 3, and CD is 5x plus 7. Okay, so then when I solve those, I'm going to first subtract 5x and get 2x minus 3 equals 0 plus 7. Add 3 to both sides. And I get 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2. And x equals 5. So we found x. Okay, then what it wants me to do is find CD, the whole length of the 5x plus 7. And then it wants me to find PA, just one piece of this segment over here. CD is 5x plus 7. And we know that x now is 5. So CD is 25 plus 7, which is 32. So that means this whole thing is 32, and because these are equal, this whole thing is 32. So both of those are 32. So then it wants me to find PA, and PA is just the bottom piece here. So PA, we had a theorem, a property, that said if you have a diameter that perpendicularly intersects a chord, it divides that chord and the arc in half. Now I don't see any diameters, but I could think of this as part of a diameter, right? If I were to extend EP here, it would include a diameter, and it is hitting it at a 90-degree angle. So it is perpendicular, it's part of the diameter, which means this is cut into 2 equal pieces. So if the whole chord is 32, then PA is going to be 1/2 of that whole chord. So PA is going to be 16. And we could put units here, and units here, and units here. Okay? All right, in the next video, this was page 3 of the review. In the next video, we will look at page 4. Thank you so much for watching.